Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling the timing belt. Let's start together, but before starting I want to show you the profile of half-inch timing belt size. This is the standard dimensions of a half-inch belt. In every half-inch, which means the 12.7 millimeter, there will be one profile, and total belt height is 4.3, and the depth of tooth is 2.29, and the base dimension is 6.12, and we are going to use a 60-inch long belt. This 50-inch nominal size based on our the pitch diameter, which is in the middle of our height. Let's start then. Please keep these dimensions in your mind, and after we are going to be modeling our belt. Firstly, we are creating two circle in the front plane, and I'm connecting their centers with the construction geometry, and here I go create one extra construction geometry and construction geometry again. It will be the easiest way, I think. That's why I started. The biggest timing pulley will be with 60 tooth, which means then 360 by 60 degree, and our pitch is 12.7, which is half inch. Automatically you create here your pitch diameter instead of making unnecessary calculations. The small one going to be 40 tooth, which is 360 by 40, and here going to be 12.7 millimeter, and I am putting them in a area without having any dimension. And here we create two line, and we make a tangent relationship easily by selecting them, and we just send unnecessary parts by trim command, as everything is fine. Before we started, I said you this belt going to be 50 inch long, which means the nominal size. Then first we are going to calculate 50 inch long belt nominal size. 50 multiplied by 25.4, which is 1270 millimeter, and it is total. That's why first I will go measure my two semicircles, around semicircles, and multiplied by this dimension 646 multiplied minus this value. You have this one, and this is going to be our length for the straight areas. What was it? 623 83 623 83 by divided by 2. If you want to measure the length again for controlling, you just choose everything, and yeah, there is a little difference, but that's fine for this drawing. And we create our nominal dimension. Now select chain and make this for construction. First we go create a inner tooth line. I have to say I couldn't find in English. It was 2.29 by divided by 2, and after this point we make an offset 4.3. If you go, guys, remember the profile that we made, you are going to understand it. The nominal dimension was somewhere around here, and I found it at the top of our tooth and the base of our belt. And we go continue with other sketch, and this is the outer profile, and we make again offset 4.3 minus 2.29. This is going to be our belt, flat area of belt. 50 millimeter I made in mid plane, and I just go again in the same sketch. I open it, and basically somewhere here I create a profile. This will be a construction line. This three going to be symmetric. Our angle was 40, and with the base the dimension was 6.21, and just to make it sure everything is fully defined, I'm adding here a extra dimension, and I close my profile. Now almost we are ready, and we are going to create by selecting tangency on this surface, on this edge, a composite curve by sketch. I create my composite curve, and my the tooth profile is here. We are making in the mid plane, creating a tooth, and selecting our composite curve, and selecting from our patterns curve driven pattern, and this is our tooth profile. We said this belt is 150 50 inch. That means in every inch there is two tooth, because we based our model a half-inch size. That's why I made 50 inch long, but in every half inch I put 2 times tooth. And as you see, this is the real dimensions of a 50 inch long belt, half inch standard. And I'm going to create in every edge our last radius 1.02 it was, and basically we can select our edges. I don't remember exactly which was it, but we will see. Yes, seems this one, this option, going to select automatically all edges that we should put a radius. After that our model will be done. If you want to find the real dimensions of the standard belts, you can easily find on internet with any provider. You are going to see the profiles of the belts and the dimensions of the standard values like half inch, 1 inch, or in a metric system 5 mm, 10 mm, in different versions. You can easily find it. Thank you for watching my video.